What is that?
What shape is that, Jake?
Chips.
What shape?
This is a rectangle.
Rectangle. Good job.
This is rectangle too.
That's not rectangle too. What is that?
This is rectangle.
Triangle.
Two triangle.
Rectangle. Triangle.
What one is that?
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
This is upside.
Trapezoid.
Is that square?
Square.
Is that diamond?
Good job.
Is that diamond?
Diamond. Good job, buddy.
Was that oval?
Oval.
Awesome.
Good job.
Okay.